Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy Morrison, also known as Browning. So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how I made this delicious okra soup. Stay tuned and don't go nowhere. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you for sticking put. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, here with me my already washed meat ready to be parboiled or steamed. I added my Maggi cubes and salt and onions, and I added my dried fish, and later on I stirred and keep it to boil for about 15 minutes guys. Yes, so intervals I come to check if it's not burning or anything. Let's avoid burning our food. Okay, so after stirring it, I added our already boiling hot water, as you can see. Then I added my fish. I wanted the fish to give it a different taste apart from like tasting just the meat. Then I added my already blended pepper and crayfish with onions, and added 3 cubes of Maggi, pinch of salt, and my red oil. Yes, I don't like so much oil in my okra soup, so I just like that exact quantity. Then I went on to stir very well, and after stirring I added my already diced onions guys, and I covered to boil for about 20 minutes. While it's boiling I come to check, and give it a little stir. African women, we love our stirring. We love to stir. So I'll add my already blended ogbono. I love that drawness to be just there. Then my okra, and I stirred, and after stirring I covered my okra to boil for about 15 minutes guys. 15 minutes. So I came back and checked. Ooh, it's already looking good, and added my my isam, my uziza leaf, and I gave it a beautiful stir. I don't like my uziza leaf to be very cooked. I just like to maintain that freshness of my uziza leaf because of the taste and the aroma. So guys, food is ready. Who wants to eat? So here you have the final product. I hope you like it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it, leave a comment down below. I'll be so grateful to see everybody reacting to this particular video, because this beautiful delicious food is a keeper. Trust me, you would love this. You make it for whoever you want to make it for. Very easy to make, very delicious too. So guys, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I see you in my next video guys. Bye.